My name's Kathy Grillo, and we're picking up our RV that we have had redesigned today. And we did a lot of thought before we came to OCRV, and we're so happy that we did. They did a perfect job, and we couldn't ask for more. We just kind of wanted to give our 2004 Country Coach an updated look. And we did that, and they did that, and they guided us all along the way and what would work and maybe what would work better. So we're picking it up today, and we're excited to go on a trip. We want to be gone for about 3 months or so, and we feel, real confident that we're going to have a great time. The favorite things in here, of course, it's the brand new television. We had the old television taken out and had a brand new flat screen put in and a brand new stereo system, which is really kicking, and that's great to have that. One of my very favorite things is I had a dishwasher put in. I got tired of washing dishes when we were on the road, so we had a dishwasher put in, which is going to be great. And they were able to make it to where it really looks like part of the cabinetry, and you can't even tell that it's a dishwasher. We also had an old RV refrigerator taken out and had a new residential refrigerator put in. And that's going to be really, really great. We're not going to be limited in how much food we can get, and we're not going to have to go to the grocery store all the time. Another item that they did for us is they put in an induction stove top, and that's going to really be great. And they particularly helped us on doing the backsplash areas, which turned out really beautiful. And put in MCD shades all around. We took out the old accordion shades and we put in MCD shades all the way around. So we're looking forward to getting on the road pretty soon and having a great trip.
Hey, this is Art with OCRVCenter. It's delivery day on this 2004 Country Coach Allure. We've done a pretty much major interior refit, very little on the outside. We did install some solar panels and did a nice upgraded battery system. This coach comes with originally two 8D house batteries and one 8D starting battery. Well, we replaced the 8D batteries with L16 6 volts, wired up to be a 12-volt battery. You get about twice the storage capacity as the two 8D batteries. Great battery system, can't go wrong with an L16. And we also added some side view cameras for the customer. A little more security driving down the road. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here's this 2004 Country Coach Allure finished product getting delivered today. We're very excited. The customer's going to be stoked. So in this coach, we reconfigured the upper cabinet and put a nice 42-inch Samsung TV. Modified this cabinet and upgraded them to a nice Pioneer home receiver and a little Blu-ray player. Very simple system. Orb audio speakers and a nice subwoofer under the sofa. Also added MCD motorized cockpit shades for the whole front of the coach and rebuilt some nice custom balances to encase all of this. We installed a new driving audio system and some speakers and side cameras. Pretty simple stuff. So on the interior of this coach, this used to have a desk here, and customer wanted a nice little J lounge, so we built this nice little custom J lounge and nice leather seating surfaces, rebuilt all the window balances, installed all new MCD shades all around in the coach, recovered the original chairs. This customer picked out some great fabrics. This coach looks really cool. Put in a really nice wool carpet. This is a really high grade, be very durable. Put a pet pad underneath it so any spill can never get through the nap of the carpet. Makes the cleanup much easier. Redid this nice sofa. Just recovered that one as the original sofa in here. Created a nice balance in the galley. Did some beautiful backsplash work in this coach. Backsplash work, really nice. Great colors. Customers got a good eye and picked out some nice stuff. Customer had her heart set on a dishwasher, so there you go. She got her dishwasher. Custom built base to match all the rest of the cabinets. Look great. She also didn't like the gas stove, wanted an electric cooktop. That's what she's used to cooking with at home. So we took that out and put on the new Furon cooktop for her. It's exactly what she wanted, that's what she got. So, also, they wanted the old refrigerator out, so this got an upgraded home refrigerator. All electric, what all the new high-end coaches are coming with. They're very efficient. We put some solar panels on the roof to help up the battery storage. It'll be a very efficient system. Batteries will hold up great. Great for dry camping and everything still. Great features. Keeps your food nice and cold. Much better storage than the RV refrigerators. Didn't do a whole lot back here. Did some backsplash in the bathroom area and in this bathroom area. New MCDs and new balances in the bathroom area. We did take all the fluorescent bulbs out of these fixtures. They just wanted to upgrade to LED to be more efficient dry camping. So we just rewired these and installed LED strip lighting in here. Looks very natural, very nice. No heat comes out of them at all. Great upgrade and very reasonable. Back in the bedroom, again, not huge amount of upgrade. We did build a nice cabinet for a new upgraded 32-inch TV and some balances and MCD shapework and nice carpet job. So here's their coach, and we'll be delivering it today and look forward, looking to make another happy customer.